Hi everyone, today we are going to see a very simple chicken fry recipe. So for this recipe I have taken here 4 chicken leg piece along with the thighs, and we all need general masalas. I'm not going to use any special masalas for this, just the turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander, pepper, ginger garlic paste, lemon, salt and some oil. So let's get started with the marination. First cut each pieces like this into slits so that the chicken will get nicely marinated. So for the marination part, it's very simple. It's not like the tandoori chicken. I'm not going to add the yogurt. If you want, it's optional, you can add it. So here I've taken 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and I'm going to add extra chili powder because we like it more spicy. So add another half spoon of chili powder. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and just give it a nice mix. Make it into a fine thick paste, and then you can add 1 spoon of salt. It can vary according to your taste. So now after mixing all these ingredients, just squeeze half lemon into this mixture, and yes, your marination paste is ready now. So let's apply this paste into each piece. Mix it nicely. Tuck in this mixture into the slits that you have made, and you have to marinate this chicken at least for 1 hour inside the fridge. The longer you marinate, the tastier your chicken becomes. So at least 1 hour is required. If you can't wait that long, if you're in hurry, you can just marinate at least 20 minutes. So yes, the chicken is ready to get inside the fridge. So I'm going to today marinate it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, just look at the chicken, it is nicely marinated. So let's start to fry. So add some oil into the pan. I'm not going to use more oil for this fry, it's not required. And when the oil is hot, just place the pieces into the pan. And for this fry, you need to keep the flame in medium. If you keep in high flame, the chicken will be burnt up, especially the outer layer. So make sure the flame is in medium. After a few minutes of placing the pieces into the pan, just flip it over like this so that the oil gets spreaded even on the upper layer of the chicken. Cover the chicken with a lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. So after 4 to 5 minutes, change the sides of the chicken, cover the chicken and cook it again for 3 to 4 minutes. So let's open the lid. Now you can see the chicken is nicely cooked, and all the part of the chicken is cooked, even the sides, and looks nicely brown in color. It has to be really fried nicely so that it will be even a little crispy on the top. That's it, the chicken is ready to be served. The ingredients in this recipe is very simple. You can add even yogurt to the marination paste and it will just taste like tandoori chicken. So just try it and enjoy the dish. Thank you for watching.